Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to do really cool effects on TikTok. So let's go into TikTok. Alright, I have my phone here. Alright, here's my account. I'm gonna use this. No. Alright. Look at me. I have this right here. Alright. So I'm gonna wanna like hold a tap, alright? So hold a tap. And you're just gonna hold a little bit and like when you wanna switch, you go like this. Like don't do too much. And then once you do that, look how it looks. Look how it looks. There you go. See? And then now you're gonna play at one of these low speeds. It's for the wiggly defect. Put one of the low speeds, and then you wanna shake it a little bit, a lot. Alright? Shake it a lot. Like do a pose or something. Watch. See? Alright, now it's time to do the door trick. The door trick looks like this. Here's the door trick. Here's how it looks. See? Door trick. So let's go to the door. Ugh. Everything's so dark. Hurry. Hold up. Do you see my door? That's my door, alright? So you're going to have like a jacket or something like that. I'm just going to use this jacket. You're just going to want to... Hold up. I'm going to put you guys right here. That's my door right there, right? I put it right there. And take off everything inside the door. So I'm playing Fortnite too, but not now because I'm doing a video. You're gonna wanna stop, alright? You're gonna fall right here, but don't fall like that. So I'll just show you. Alright, because it goes like 43. Alright. I'm putting it on low. Or normal. I put on normal. Watch. Just watch me. Watch. Damn, I messed up. You mess up sometimes because sometimes it has to land. Sometimes right on the doorknob. So you wanna Alright, once that happens, put something on the floor. I'll show you. Like that. And then when you put something on the floor like this, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm on a timer. And put the jacket on. Put the jacket on. Right there. There it is. And then, now that you do that, you're gonna want to do this. So here's where you go around your face. But you're actually not going around your face with the thing. So first of all, you guys want to go and then come back like this. Put up. Yeah, then do it that way. So, no, basically, like this. Now stop right there. What do we think? There. Hold up. Dang it. But you guys can see it. I just kidding. And you're gonna put a lot of hashtags, alright? So you're gonna want to put like a hashtag, a hoodie trick. That's what I put sometimes when I do hoodie trick. Hashtag hoodie trick. Hashtag trick. 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 I do a lot of hashtags. Of another hashtag. Hashtag was the main. Oh yeah, for you page. So look how much hashtags. It's a lot of hashtags. So post it, and should show you how the videos look, and that's really basically it for the video. The real glue effect is really easy. Just like shake it a lot, shake it, and then put it on slow mo, do a pose, and go around. You're just gonna go bop, stop, come back around, bop, stop, and do the same thing over. And then with the hoodie trick, you just wanna you wanna throw when you throw the hoodie, you wanna go bop and pause it, like right when it's this, so you can fall down. Alright? That's how you do it. Just look at the video. Just typed it. See? Doesn't go all around. Move effect. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that thumbs button. Leave a like on today's video. Let's get it. Peace.